Thakur and welcome to my channel Commonly Mistaken. Friends, I have seen people using articles recklessly, especially the use of the. Wherever they want to use it, they just use it for the sake of using it just. So I felt an urgent need to tell in what situations we are not supposed to use them. So today's video is devoted to the omission of articles, where we are not supposed to use articles. Friends, there are some situations when we are not supposed to use articles, especially the. Have a look. First, countries. With the names of countries, single countries, we will never use the with them. In a sentence, whenever we use them, we will use it directly with the capital letter. Second, persons. With the name of persons, we will never use the. Like Vanshika, if we are using Vanshika in a sentence, we will use it directly. Aruna Sharma. Both starts with a capital, but never use the with them or the. Months or days. Whenever they come, like March, Thursday, whenever they come in a sentence, we will never use a or the with them. Metals. Metals are used like this. The example is gold is very expensive nowadays. So you can see that with gold we have not used any article here. With the languages also, we are not supposed to use any article, neither a nor the. Like we are learning French. You can see, friends, that we have not used any a or the with French. French is the language. F is capital, of course, but we have not used articles with them. Another example, English is very easy to learn. So you can see that I have used nothing with the language English. Some more situation, friends. Have a look. With abstract nouns also, we can't use the or a, any article. For example, knowledge is power. Knowledge is, abstract noun. Power is also abstract noun. But we have not used any article here. Second, names of games. Any game, it can be any sport like cricket, football, badminton. But we will never use any article in this. The example is Rohan likes to play football. In football, we have not used any a or any the. With the names of relatives also, like mother, father, sister, brother, or any relation, aunt, uncle, we won't use any article here. Mother is cooking lunch. Remember, friends, have a look. With mother, we have not used any article. In the same way, we have also not used any article with the food also. Lunch, dinner, breakfast, we won't use any article. So, article is omitted with the foods along with the relatives. Some more situations, friends. With uncountables also, we never use articles. Like, honey is sweet. Neither I am using any article with honey nor with sweet. With plural countable nouns also, we never use any article. Like boys. Boys is plural and they are not specific or identified. That's why we have not used any or the here. Boys like to play cricket. Remember, friends, we have not used any article with the game also. Boys like to play cricket. In the same way, for public buildings also, like school, church, court, prison, the hospital, these type of buildings, with these type of buildings also, we never use any article. Like, we learn English at school. At school. No a or the with school, because this is a public building. But in some way, when we are not using it in a primary purpose, not for general purpose, if we are using it for a special purpose. I can give you an exception here. In example, I met my aunt at the church. Here, church is not being gone for the primary purpose. It is for the secondary purpose. That's why we have used the church here. Though church is a public building, still we are using the with it because this is the special purpose that I met my aunt at the church. Friends, I think I have explained enough situations where we are not supposed to use articles. So what I feel that next time I'll post one more video on the tips of improving English. Along with improving, rectifying these mistakes, we have to be fluent enough to explain the things. I think most of you want to speak English fluently. So never miss my video next so that I can give you tips on how to improve English. And I hope that you have liked the video. So if you have liked the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it with your friends. And if you have not seen my previous videos, the link has been already given in the description box. Thanks for watching.